pumpkin. Good girl. Go get it. Yeah. Sadie, sit. Sadie, sit. Good girl. Good girl. Let's see if she offers me a down. 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 Good girl. What a sweet pea. What a sweet pea. Toby, you're a sweet pea too. Good boy. And down. Good girl. Yeah. What a good girl. Good girl, sit. Good girl, Sadie. Sadie, down. Good girl, baby. Good boy, Toby. Good girl, Sadie. Okay, go get it. I toss the treat to get her up so she can give me another repetition of the desired behavior. So sometimes the way we deliver the treat sets the dog up to be able to do it again. Good girl. Down. Good girl, sweet pea. Very nice. Very nice. Toby, down. Good boy, Tobe. Very nice. Okay, and I'm going to toss the treat and get them up. Very good. And sit. Very good. And down. This is very good. She's actually just learning. We're just starting to put the cue down. And the way I say it is down. I draw it out like that. We're just beginning to put that cue on that behavior. So she's not very solid on it yet, but she's doing really well. She's guessing what I want, and she's doing very well. Okay, I'm going to toss the treat. Good girl. Treat party. Good girl. Let me reach over and get more. Oh, yeah. Very exciting. These treats are about as big as a molecule. Sit. Good girl. Now, because I'm still attaching the cue, down. I do it, in most cases, although I was violating this earlier, I do it as she's doing the behavior because we're just doing the word association right now. So I shouldn't have been doing it before the behavior like I was earlier. That's something that you do when you're more advanced. But when she's just learning the